Hello everybody, it's Mindy. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back. Today I have some diamond paintings to show you from Paintsomeway, but if you're new here, just know that I also love to show yarn and crochet. I do a crochet live on Friday afternoons, and I love to talk about books. I do that on Tuesday nights with my friend Brandy from Mystery of Diamonds. But today, let's look at some paintings from Paintsomeway. I have some interesting things here. Some unique things. All right, so let's get into them. Let's save the box for a minute. Let's look at this little cutie first. I mean, come on. Seriously, look how cute that is. It's a little chicken. I love it. It's so cute. The colors are so pretty. I don't know, I'm finding all kinds of chicken things lately. It has 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 different drills. It's got a lot of special drills. It's super cute. I loved the pinks. I loved all the flowers around it. The butterflies flitting around in the sky. I mean, it's so pretty. And there's a lot of drills on that. I mean, the background is all printed, but there's not a whole lot of just background. Excuse me. All right, let's look at these. What do we have? Beautiful colors. Oh my gosh. Beautiful pink and a red, a green, a very pretty teal blue, gold color, another red, a purple, an orange, another purple, regular white drills. And then we have these cool little, oh, they're mixed up with some rhinestones too. We have these pretty little red faceted iridescent teardrops. We have pink teardrops. We have purple marquee faceted iridescent, pretty pink. Love these. And then these green ones. Oh my gosh, everything here is so pretty. I think it's gonna be just the cutest little thing. You're going to be adorable. Yes, you are. A little 30 by 30. Super cute. All right. This came in the strangest bag. I was like, what is this? What is in this bag? Well, it came in this great big huge bag because of this. And I wanted to make sure this would lay flat in the bag, which it did. I mean, it came in really good shape. So let me show you what it is. Here's our toolkit. Here's our drills. And it is a calendar, okay? Now, this is a calendar you would write the days, the date in. Got a piece of plastic. Oh, the plastic's up there, that's why. So you would write your days in for whatever month it is. Put your month here, you can put your year over here, and you can change your days each month, right? So it's erasable. Get a dry erase marker and just make this work. Now, the thing that's really cool is that this is complete magnet. The whole back of this is a magnet. So you can plop this thing on a filing cabinet, on your refrigerator, wherever you choose to put it. It came in different styles, the picture, of course. We had different pictures you could choose from. I chose the hummingbirds. There were some other really lovely choices, but this was so unique. I thought this was really cool. I mean, you do have to erase and write your dates in there, but, you know, that's easy enough to do. So this is reusable, like forever. You know, it's not like it's just 1 year or 1 month. You can just reuse it over and over again. I love that. So the plastics here that you pull off to get to your drills, and it's interesting. They actually have some of the painting coming down on the days of the week, which I thought was kind of interesting. But this is super pretty. Look at all the big special drills and the flowers. And then you got the 2 hummingbirds. I thought it was just a unique item. I wanted to get and show it to you and see what you think. I will, of course, link this one below, but it should take you to the other prints that this was available in as well. So let's look at drills. There's a bunch of them. There's more than I thought there were going to be. There's a ton. All right. So everything is just marked on your bag, and you find your number on your painting. So we have gold rhinestones, a couple of purples, a couple of greens, a blue. This is just regular black drills. A clear, 1 more purple, 1 more blue, 1 more purple. These are kind of dark gray. Another blue. All right, so now we have these beautiful AB coated, faceted marquees. Those are lovely. Love those. Some pretty pink marquees. Some pretty gold marquees. Round gold. Round cobalt blue. And, oh, these pinks, these are iridescent coated. The others aren't necessarily, but those are. How pretty. Super pretty. I think this will be fun. I mean, I can see putting this up. I mean, I don't have room for it. I could put it on my refrigerator, but putting it on a filing cabinet in an office or something, take it to work with you. I mean, I think this is a pretty cool idea. I like it a lot. And it's going to stick because that whole thing is just, it's printed on a sheet of magnet. I love it. Okay. Last item for this order comes in a box. And they are doing this now. So, you know, I've said this many times. Paintsomeway does not make these items. They order them from the manufacturers, and it's the manufacturers that package everything up and send it to the stores. We'll call them the stores, right? So the manufacturers have been getting more packaging conscious. We'll just put it that way. Making sure things are bundled. They're putting a little bit of foam in there to protect them a little bit. So I appreciate that. Here's our drills. Oh, this has got hooks. Okay. Well, let's look at this. What did I get? Oh, this is pretty. Oh, this is really pretty. Okay, so this is going to be unique. We have two holes up here at the top. This is going to hang. So it's going to hang, but it's also going to have hooks at the bottom. This also came with multiple pictures you could get on it. So I'll link this one, and I don't know if it will take you to the others or not, but just know when you find this one, you'll probably be able to find other like images as well. That's cool though. All right, let's see how this is going to work. I think this is neat. I told you, I like to find interesting, unique items. Okay, so here's our toolkit with our chain. Our chain is what we're going to hang it by at the top. And then we have a little baggie with 3 hooks and 3 screws, or 4 or 6 screws. Bunch of screws, 6 screws, and a screwdriver. And then you have this, what is that? I don't know what that is. Would appear that it maybe is a sticky, I don't know. And if it's sticky stuff, what are we sticking? I don't know. No, it's not. What is it? There's 2 of them. I have no idea. It is sticky. I don't know. Oh, I know. Probably in case you don't want to hang it by the chain, you can put these on the back and you could stick it to something. That's what they're for. You could stick it instead of letting it hang. Okay. I gotcha. Okay. All right. Somebody was asking me the other day. They were like, I have this wreath, but the wreath has no hanging apparatus for it at all. And I'm like, yeah, I know. I have one. It's been on my front window for about 3 years. All I did was I got some command strips, just like the strips things, and put them on the back, stuck it on my window. It's been there for 3 years, and it doesn't come off. It just stays there. So that's what you do in that case. So that's what those are for. You could stick it on something, or you could hang it from the chain. All right, drills. Let's look at drills. We have some beautiful colors here. Got a pretty pink. Love this color. I love the teals. Look at that bright yellow. A clear, an olive green. Look at that. Ah, love that color. That color is so pretty. I'm not a green person, but I do love me teal. There's another green, another gold. All right, iridescent, faceted, clear, marquees. Same thing for the greens and the blues. And then we have the clear pinks. Very pretty. I love these. These are so pretty. All right, so this has enough packaging for it. Look at all of this, all goes in here somehow. All right, so we have that cutie right there. We have the magnetic calendar, and we have our cute, adorable little chicken. Buck, 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 like a little chicken. So let me know your thoughts. Have you ever seen these? Would you try one? Let me know what you think. I'll let you know what I think when I get to it. If I find a place to put it, it might end up, I don't know where, downstairs. I don't think I'll put it on my refrigerator. I'm trying to not put a bunch of stuff on my refrigerator. Keep it to a minimum. You know what I'm saying? Although it's getting a little crowded. Anyhow, please hit that like button. It helps creators, it helps YouTube know the things you like. They'll push it to other people, gets more views for us. And subscribe, share videos, hit the subscribe button. If anything here is of interest to you, or you look on my channel and you find things that you might want to watch from time to time, hit the subscribe button. That also helps. It helps YouTube know that my channel has things you like to watch. Okay, so we really appreciate it when you do those YouTubey things. All right, I'm going to clean all this up. I have some other things to do today, and I think I'm going to try to make something for Dale's birthday, maybe some brownies for his birthday. We're not doing anything else, so yeah, we'll sit here and stay warm, eat brownies. All right, thanks for watching, everybody, and I will see you all very soon. Bye.